Good morning, students. In a today lecture, I chose a particular topic. The name of the topic is article writing. This is most important topic for class 12th. Dear students, I request you all to pay attention on this topic. Just see. In this topic, we will discuss about a formation of any article. We also discuss about the words criteria of the articles. We also just see the language of the article. We also see all the points that also relevance to a article. This is for class 12th. Class 12th. Name of the topic is article writing. Articles writing. This is a long composition. Long composition. Long composition, this is also known as article. First we will discuss about the words of the articles. In the words, every article should be written to 150 to 150 to 200 words. Don't exceed don't exceed to 200 words. This is the accurate criteria of the words. First, every article should be written in easy and systematic language. Systematic language. Systematic language. Never repeat the words. Never repeat the same ideas. You can use phrases. These are the main points and many more points that relevance to the article writing. Any article, first there will be outline of any article. Any article. Outline, yeah, we can say that verbal input. Verbal input. By the verbal input that you can write article, verbal input that there will be some facts and points regarding any idea of regarding of the title. With the help of the points, you also write article. That after that, every article should be divided in different paragraphs and the different way. There will be 3 paragraphs of any article. You try to conclude the article in 3 paragraphs in any circumstances that you have also exceed the paragraph. You just give the quoted lines, quotes in the articles. First, you also give the introductory starting of any article. In other words, we can say that preface of the article. What is the preface? What is the background of the article? Article means long composition and ideas of any topic that is relevance about many current issues that you have been asked to write an article. Article means a small literary piece. By this, that you can conclude your views, your ideas on about it. For example, that you have been asked after that you also give the content of the article and conclusion conclusion of the article, that you also divide any article in three sections. First section, the preface, introduction, the starting of the article. In the second, the content, what ideas that you want to show by this, and third one is the conclusion of any article. Every article should be divided in three categories. First, the marks criteria of any article is 5. First marks is the title and written by, after that content and conclusion. All these things that you should share by any article. The format of the article. Format of any article. For example, article to be written for school magazine and the newspapers. For example, you are Tarun Kumar, या तरीना, student of 12th class, सूरज स्कूल महेंद्रगढ़, सूरज स्कूल महेंद्रगढ़. You have been asked to write an article on the topic value based education. Value based education for your school magazine. Words 150 to 200 words. This is the verbal input. Yeah, we can say that this is the outline of the article. And in this article, there are some other ideas that may be in the outline, that there also examiner can write the words value based education is only remedy to decrease the crime rate among the educated folk. In this way, there will be some ideas include in the outline या in verbal input. Students, you just see first the title of the article. The title of the article is value based education. The facts, the ideas are given is only remedy to decrease the crime rate among the educated folk. And who is the person that going to issue? Tarun Kumar and Tarina. After that, in which way that you conclude any article. First, you also write down article writing. Then you also give the title of the article. Give the title of the article. The title of the article was value based education. Value based education. In the both way you can write, you also can write in the capital letters value based education, and next one is also written in this way value based education. You can choose one of two. This is also right and this is also right. As you think, you can write. After that, you can choose one among two. After that, there will be space of a line, and then you also write by. By, yeah, written by. Also name Tarun Kumar. Tarun Kumar या Tarina. Boy students will write Tarun Kumar, girl students write Tarina. After that, you also can start from the beginning from here. You also never mention name of school, name of newspaper, name of magazine. There is no need all these things. And first you also start your content from there. For example, you just explain what do you mean by value based education. After that, in the first paragraph, that you also explain the ideas about value based education. In the second paragraph, you also just describe about the need of the value based education, and in the last paragraph that you also conclude about the value based education. You also give some quoted lines, quoted points. You also quoted some words as you think. You also underline major facts, major points, and particular data if you want to share in any article. And the language will be easy and also grammatical correct. There will be no any type of the repetition of the same idea. You also write in a different way, that you also explain all the ideas which are about the same title. Dear students, that's all in this topic. Thanks and have a nice day.